story of grit, determination, raw courage, virtue, sincerity, integrity, and what have you. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is the story of Captain Atul Sharma.
तेरा हिमालय आकाश छूले बहती रहे तेरी गंगा ऊंचा हो इतना इतना बुलंद हो तारों को छूमे तिरंगा माँ से है माटी माँ से है माथा माथे पे माटी सजा के चला
आरती श्री रामायण गावत ब्रह्मादिक मुनि नारद वाल्मीकि विज्ञान विशारद सुख सनकादिशेष अनुसार
who was fondly called as Bobby, from his little sister Ruby. My dear brother, so brave and true, every beat of my heart still calls for you. You are my guide, my shelter, my light, the calm in my day, the star in my night. The nation salutes you, proud and high. but I feel your love is every side. Gone from my eyes, yet close to breath. Forever my brother, forever my pride. In my heart, Atul, you always be.
जब शहीद आजम सरदार भगत सिंह जी को फांसी की सजा होती है, 23 साल की उम्र थी उनकी, तो उनकी मां उनसे मिलने आती है। जैसे कि हर माँ की इच्छा होती है कि जैसे बेटा बड़ा हो तो शादी हो, बहू घर में आए, तो माँ उससे कहती, बेटे तू तो जा रहा है, मेरी ये मांग थी, क्या करूं? तो भगत सिंह क्या कहते हैं, तू न रोना कि तू है। शायद मैं ये लाइन पूरी ना कर सकूं, ये लाइन है ही ऐसी है, ये हम उन शहीदों की याद दिलाती है जिनकी शहादत और जिनके बलिदान की बदौलत हम सब यहाँ बैठे हैं, हम सब यहाँ मैं बोल रहा हूँ। तू न रोना कि तू है भगत सिंह की माँ, मर के भी लाल तेरा मरेगा नहीं। डोली चढ़ के घोड़ी चढ़ के तो लाते हैं दुल्हन सभी, हंस के हर कोई फांसी चढ़ेगा नहीं।
पूरे परिवार को धन्य है उनकी माता जी और धन्य है उनका साहस, जिनके संकल्प ने हम सभी को आज यहाँ एकत्र किया है। आपको शत शत प्रणाम आंटी जी। जय हिंद।
I really feel gratitude towards you because you have given your son in order to sacrifice for the country. So I really honor you for it, and also Ruby ma'am, I honor you as sister that you have actually supported him in all the ways. So
right from his school days, Atul's demeanor reflected his army aura. Atul proudly represented the school in science exhibits, and he was backed with immense creativity and reasoning.
अतुल जिसका अर्थ है जिसकी तुलना न की जा सके। कैप्टन अतुल शर्मा दृढ़ संकल्प, अदम्य साहस, शौर्य, वीर और हर काम में आगे बढ़ के करते रहना, यही उसकी शांति और यही उसने अपने नाम को सार्थक कर दिया।
His body may have left this world, but his bravery, his smile, his love for India will forever live in our hearts. Let us keep his story alive, not just today, but every day. May his soul rest in eternal peace. Jai Hind. And
Bobby, may your soul find eternal peace. May your mother's prayers reach you, your sister's love sustain you, and may your country always remember you, always. हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। जय हिंद।
So Atul was so close to, we were a group of 15 students only in university, very few seats used to be there at that time, and all we were used to be very close knit. So मुझे हमेशा अतुल कहता था लड़कियों को अपना करियर जरूर बनाना चाहिए, लड़कियों को हमेशा अपने पैरों पे खड़ा होना चाहिए, and he always used to say it for Ruby that I will do something for Ruby, that I will make her independent.
So that was how Atul valiantly did his duty and passed away. And thereafter we went into the details of the 29 RR, took the trouble of doing all the needful from their end. We did some from ours and for the cremation and so on. And
when Atul joined me, he came to me as a young lieutenant. He always used to, like, when we used to sit down in a conference or something and we were talking or something, he used to be a little, kind of hunched in front and looking at me intently, and as if, he's trying to grasped everything, and then he wanted to do the things himself.
Atul, apart from his professionalism, I can say was a very, very dear friend to all of us. He made it a point to be felt accepted by each one of us. All the people in uniform would understand. Initially, there is a kind of you need to prove yourself. That's what you feel, that I'm going to a new setup, I need to prove myself. Atul not only proved himself, but he gelled so well that everyone wanted him for operations. So whenever we planned any large scale operation, Atul was an integral part of it.
The officers are trained the hard way. They are put through the paces. And Atul was no exception. We converted him into a very, very good professional soldier, and he developed the merit of administration. So before he was sent to RR, he was absolutely professionally fit regimental officer of 48 Air Defence Regiment.
He's made the supreme sacrifice for the country, and for that I salute Mrs. Sudesh Sharma, his sister, and his late father for giving the country a son like Atul Sharma, who will never be forgotten. And as it was written over there, they go but they are not forgotten. They will always remain in our hearts.
अतुल को वीर विराट की श्रद्धांजलि। अतुल हो तुम, अतुल्य हो तुम, या तुम्हारे युग युग तक रहे अमर। वीर सैनिकों के बलो तुम प्रेरणा स्रोत, जिसकी शक्ति से जीत सके वो हर समर। अतुल हो तुम, अतुल्य हो तुम।